Hello, are you a fresher? Are you completed your graduation recently? Are you looking for a IT or software job? Are you already a working professional? For all these cases, if any recession happens, how to sustain, how to build your career to overcome from the hurdles. Let us see in this video. Are you ready to face challenges in IT or software jobs during a recession? Navigating IT career challenges during economic recessions. What are the challenges we have to face in 2024? Economic downturn, which impacts on job placements, especially in IT field. For this, strategic preparations for career resilience is required. You have to accept the change. You have to make the vision, turning obstacles into opportunities. That means how to overcome the difficulties, then how to convert the disadvantage into advantage. Importance of acquiring diverse skill set. You have to habituate continuous learning as a strategic approach. Finally, you can unleash your true potential. You have to accept the fact developing resilience in job search by acknowledging alternative pathways. There are numerous opportunities beyond initial setbacks. So find your dream job. Kickstart your journey to be a global career. What are the skills you have to acquire? Beyond your core studies, whatever you are studying in view of the course. Nowadays, we are talking about the emerging technologies in IT or software field, cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence and machine learning basics, data analytics. These are all some of the emerging courses you have to concentrate beyond your core studies. Then what are the platforms for free skill development? Some of the free platforms are Coursera, Google ML, Microsoft Azure, Udemy, etc. You have to build strong network, actively connecting with industry experts. How to connect? By virtual forums, online communities, and participating in events. Networking as an asset for learning and job opportunities. So we have to build our strong networking to career. Habituate freelancing opportunities, which are alternative paths to our traditional employment. Here, high earnings during recession. You have to emphasize the importance of being skill ready. Everything is skill ready. Then participate in even small companies also. You have to get opportunity as a startup jobs. Choose companies based on their values and work culture. Because of these startup jobs, you have to learn the opportunities. You have to emphasize small victories and personal growth also. Initially, don't aim for high, even for smaller one, like startups. Any big company nowadays, what we are seeing, that is at the time of starting, which will be a startup only. You have to build an effective resume. This is one of the important aspects which will be treated as a well-crafted resume. Based on the company specific, you have to change the resume based on the requirements. Don't put common resume for all the companies. First, you can study the company background, what they are looking, what they're expecting from you. Based on their skill set, you have to customize your resume based on your expertise, skill set. You have to highlight hackathons, projects, internships done during your course of study. The first step to success, even during a recession, you have to emphasize unique skill set beyond artificial intelligence cloud. Concentrate on extended reality, gaming technology, quantum computing. Finally, showcasing unique skill set is a creativity, which is a key asset for our success. Then you have to showcase best projects, build a strong portfolio, contribute to the open source initiatives or technologies by taking societal problems, provide solution using some open source technologies. You have to showcase problem solving skills and hands-on experience. These should be highlighted in your resume. Then focus on GitHub platforms, which creates a repository as a professional identity, like Aadhaar card depository for skills and projects, contribution to forums and articles. Wherever the opportunity comes, showcase your ideas. You have to participate in forums or present to a conference or publish your work in any reputed articles. You have to build your coding skills. Finally, staying positive and learning from experts, adapting to changes and staying relevant in the IT field. Time to time, we have to update our skill set, knowledge to meet the requirements of the industry. Hope this information is useful for building our successful career even during recessions. Then why delay? Start implementing. Be a successful human. This article I have taken from Enadu Education, published on January 23, 24. So I made some customizations to meet the requirements. The image is taken from enadu.net, LinkedIn, Internshell, and Google. Whatever the images used in the presentation. Stay tuned for latest updates.